How to take screenshots on your Android device. This tutorial shows you 5 different ways to capture your screen quickly and easily. First, press the volume down and power button at the same time to instantly take a screenshot. After that, swipe your palm across the screen to capture. If it doesn't work, you'll need to enable it first. From there, open Settings on your Android device. At this point, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. In the next step, tap on Motions and Gestures. Following this, find Palm Swipe to capture and turn the toggle on. Once done, go back and try swiping the edge of your hand across the screen from left to right or right to left to take a screenshot. From here, swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings and tap on Screenshot if available. At this stage, after taking a screenshot, tap on the preview to edit, crop, or share it instantly. After this, your screenshot will be automatically saved in your gallery under Screenshots. Finally, you can also take scrolling screenshots by tapping on the Scroll Capture option from the toolbar after taking a screenshot. And that's it. If this screenshot guide helped you capture your screen in different ways, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.